Howdy folks, welcome to Props and Wheels. What do we have here? So this is a box that I ordered through eBay back in April 21st, and today is September 23rd. It just arrived a couple days ago, and it took like over 5 months to arrive, and probably it was due to the fact that the seller was shipping from China, and during COVID-19 crisis it got delayed and lost in the post office. Anyway, what is inside? I'm not going to tell you now. You have to keep watching, because this box contains something, a gift for my younger son Kaya. Let's get him and let him do the unboxing and review. Alright. This is for you. It's a package, yes, it's a box. Let's rotate it this way. And how do you cut it? How do you cut it? Tell me before you start. Huh? Away from you, right? Don't cut the box. Careful. Away from you.
And it looks like a helicopter.
You like helicopters, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, tell us a little bit about your first impressions.
Okay. 2 propellers, so it's probably easy.
Yeah, actually, I used to call them propellers as well. Those are rotor blades.
Interesting controller.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I'll be using this.
And it looks like it's an infrared. Would you like to know how much I paid for it?
Sure. 50?
Huh? 50? No, get down.
20?
This was $12.98, free shipping, and of course I had to pay tax whenever I ordered from eBay, pay tax. So it was, I think, 13 something, less than $14. So this is, Kaya, this is called coaxial, because one rotates one. They are on the same axis.
Yep.
One rotates clockwise, the other one rotates counterclockwise to balance each other out. And this is what I call a 3-channel helicopter.
2 extra propellers, 1
Rotor
back.
blades, yeah, I used to call them propellers as well. Rotor blades.
Rotor
yeah.
blades.
And then,
We should keep them inside. We should charge it.
okay. So let's get it connected. Is it all set? So okay, good. There's light.
Yep.
So, well, it's probably going to take 30-40 minutes, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm just going to fast forward for you guys. No, I'm just joking. Okay, seriously, I'm going to just stop now and then come back when charging is done. Alright, looks like the battery has charged, so we are ready to continue. Usually with these packages we always get a little handy dandy Phillips screwdriver, but nothing came out of this. Here you go. I think you may have changed the channel, because there are 3 channels on these. You have to now check. Since you changed it, you have to check if you are on the right channel. You know how to check it? Let's separate the helicopter from the charger. And then if you look underneath, you should see a channel, like it says, do you see, what does it say?
Channel.
No, that's a CHA. It says CHA. What does it mean, do you think?
Channel.
Channel A. See? It says ABCD over here on the CHA means channel A. I'm assuming. That should say, yeah, in this on off is here. So it doesn't matter which one you turn on. But let's try it. Let's not get into the instructions. But if you want to show everyone what it looks like, it's called Shadow Infrared Control Helicopter, both in English and Chinese. Upside down. Yeah. Okay. Why don't we get started? You know why I got this one for you at the beginning? For you to practice before I gave you the 4-channel one. Do you remember the Blade MCX?
Yeah.
The red one? Even
Yeah.
that one was a little difficult, and that's more expensive one, higher quality. And you know what the end goal is? The end goal for you is to fly that one, remember?
Yeah,
This Blade MCX3. It's a present from Amanda and Chip, our friends from Aero Junkies group. Let's try and see. Okay. Let's see. Up, down. Oh yeah.
Yep.
You did. That did the trick.
I expected a bit. Okay.
No beeps. Remember that you were expecting that last time as well. Oh, what happened? Oh, it got stuck. It got stuck on the threads of the carpet. Here we go. That's much better. Slowly increase. This is not playing video games using a controller. Don't get too close.
I don't know how to rotate.
So the right stick, when you move it forward, it turns the propeller and it tilts the helicopter forward, and with the main blade spinning, it goes forward. When you pull it towards you, it rotates it the opposite way and then tilts the whole helicopter backwards, it comes back. And this one, instead of moving it side to side like this, in 4-channel helicopters, this one is actually the rudder in the 4-channel helicopters, like the left stick rotates it this way, right? On this one rotates the whole helicopter right, and when you pull it towards left, it rotates the helicopter towards left or counterclockwise. And then that way you are pushing forward and turning, so you cannot move it side to side, but you can turn it and change its direction. So let me show you how to fly. So I'm going to try to hold it so you can see both my hand as well as the helicopter. So I'm rotating, do you see?
Yeah.
And then it's going, and then if I want to come back, see? And I'm kind of like rotating it. And I rotate it the other way. It's slow to respond. The reason is, it is on off. So when you go, it is either moving or it's not moving. It's a very simple helicopter. It's not proportional controls. It's on and off. So when you want to come forward, it just goes full forward, and then when you come backwards, it comes backwards. So the only thing that's proportional on this one is the throttle. So I'm just pushing it left, so it's turning left, rotating left, and pushing the right lever right until slow. Somehow it's not as fast as the other turn. Alright, why don't you try? You are now used to 4-channel helicopter because of the Blade Micro CX, MCX, right? Quick takeoff and then reduce the power so it doesn't hit the ceiling. Good. Turn left a little bit. Your left. If you keep turning left and keep it at a certain altitude, you can just rotate it like that. Push to the left. And then slowly turn it. To the left. Are you pushing the right stick to the left? Now you are doing it. Okay, you can. This is very basic. This is toy grade, definitely toy grade. I'm not sure if I can recommend this. Kaya, do you recommend this?
Not really. It's
And you have had better luck with the 4-channel MCX, right? Whom do you recommend this one?
Intermediate.
Really, because it's more difficult to fly, right? But intermediate pilots probably are looking for something a little more advanced. So, I mean, it is flyable and it looks sturdy because it's so lightweight. And if you have a large area with high ceiling, you can probably practice and learn how to fly and then switch to 4-channel. Why don't you give it another try? Yeah. So folks, one thing with this one is this right stick is not proportional. Although the throttle is proportional, it has to be, otherwise it will be either going really fast up or they're falling out of sky. So this is proportional, but the right, left and forward, back is kind of on-off switch. You push it all the way to the left, and then when it is coming towards you, you can stop it, and then you can turn again. You can turn again. Much better. So let's do one more flight. Your best one. Give us the best one. This is not
the best one.
No, it wasn't the best one. You have to get off the ground effect. You have to come down up to your chest level or something. Yep. Then try to keep it at that altitude and then keep rotating. Very good. You're doing much better. Yep. You're doing modulating it much better. So don't worry about me. I can get away from it. Don't worry. Alright. Okay, I think that's enough, right?
Yep.
So let's give it an overview. Final words.
It's a bit sensitive with the throttles.
Mm-hmm.
And
Is it sensitive with the other controls?
no.
Not at all, right?
Yeah.
You have to push it all the way to the right, left. Also, there is a charger. There's a nice feature. You can charge it directly from the controller, so let's turn it off. Well, folks, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this review.
Please consider subscribing and liking, and have a good day.
Bye-bye.